Hello, this is Craig again with Hydroponics Haven. This is a video on the self-contained hydroponic system, indoor system. I put the video out on the grow light rack, stand, whatever you want to call it, yesterday, how I built that. So this is me putting it together and putting some plants in it, and I'll show you what I did. So let's take a look at it. And before we do it, I need you to hit the like button. Come on now, you know you can do it. Hit the like button. It will help us a lot with getting our videos out. And subscribe to our channel, and you'll get notifications if you'll hit the little bell button by the subscribe, and you will get notifications of any of my new videos coming out. So without further ado, yes, get into the video. I've got an air pump running to it. It's got oxygen to oxygenate the water. And let me get you down here where you can see it. Now if I pull up this plant, okay, see that? The water is right there at the top. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. See it, the water dripping out of it. And you pick it up. Alright. So what I did, these were planted. Get you back down. Alright. Now, these were planted in a tray in my greenhouse, and they were all bunched together, so they kind of grew straight up, and they've been growing way too long in that tray, so they look a little puny and look a little tall, like they were reaching for the sunlight, but they had plenty of sunlight. It just they were bunched together. So but we're going to see what this will do. We have some bell pepper. There's 2 bell peppers in here. Then there's a banana, sweet banana pepper, lemon style, I think, something like that. Then the rest is just regular sweet banana pepper. So we're going to see what this thing will do. And so, but the crazy thing about it, if they get too close to the light, so you can take these off and put longer ones on it to extend it up a little bit further. So that's one thing good about it. So it's not stationed, and you can actually move the light up and down if you need to different pieces. So, but anyway, I put my nutrients in there. I actually made my nutrients, and I've got some coming from a sponsor that we have, and I just wanted to get this set up right now, and I'll probably end up changing it out, but right now I'm just using this Stay Green. It is a 24-8-16, and I put some calcium nitrate in it, and I put some Epsom salt in it. So I made a solution, and I've done this before, and it worked, and they grew good. So but this is what I did. I washed out all the dirt out of the roots. Just took a bowl of water, just stuck it down in the water, and just gently massaged the roots until I got it all out. And so once I did that, I put them in there. Then I put some little rock pebbles in there to help hold up the plant. So that's what I did. So this is the little self-contained hydroponic system, almost the cracky style, K-R-A-K-Y, but it does have oxygen in it. You can do it that way, but there's more of a chance of the water getting stale and getting growing mold and stuff like that in it. So I like to add some oxygen in there to keep it going. It can't hurt it. So anyway, so this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you, and we'll see you in the next video.